Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. So something is messed up somewhere, and I have not really, I'm a little nervous to do things. Let me bring over and I'll show you what I mean. But so right now, the level twos are saying the price is 428.56, but look over here, 429, 420. So according to this, the price is up over 429. The chart is also matching up with the tape. So the chart is saying what it is, but it's also very choppy. I mean, all these shadows all over the place. So something, see what I mean? Look at that. Boom. All the way down there and then back up. I mean, these are like 20-cent moves in the blink of an eye, but it's not actually happening because you look over here and it's normal. But when you look there, you can see this randomly orders will show up that cause the chart right there. You see how it just, again. So something is off right now. And I'm thinking it's a universal thing across the board. Because the chart here, what we're looking at, is E signal, which is completely separate than my broker over here, which is light speed. So see what I mean? So something's off. And it makes me nervous. Because the big question for me as I look at the options, are these things down here? Is that accurate? Is that actually where the prices are at? And maybe, but yeah, look at this. So that's kind of where things are right now. So it's kind of a game of, do I wait to see these things get, but yeah, this is just a goofy looking chart. Very, very choppy. So in other words, these candles are not really real because it's not like the price actually went down there and then came back up. It's just doing it with simple prints. So right there, see, right there's another 457 428.57 in the middle of all these other ones, which is causing that to happen. So that's where things are at right now, but bizarre day. I'll go ahead and pause. So right now it is completely frozen. Look at this. Nothing's changing here, nothing's changing here, nothing's changing there. So I've confirmed in the chat room that it's across the board problem. Everybody's charts are messed up, but right now, I mean, we are totally frozen. The markets are not moving at all, but they are moving because you look down here and the options are still changing. So what's causing that to change, right? How is that changing when nothing up here is changing? So bizarre action. And I guess in a way I mean, it's annoying because I want to trade, but at the same time, I'll try to look at this glass as half full. Kind of cool to capture this on video here. But yeah, as I speak and I'm stalling, nothing. I mean, this is not moving, yet the options market is moving. So I'd like to try to see what happens when this thing starts to trade again. Is it just going to be exploding in one direction or another, or what? But yeah, I'm not going to sit here and stall. But that is the current situation right now. Is it was off and now it's not moving in the least, and it's been like this for the past few minutes. So I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, now we have like an official halt. Look at this. For any of you that's ever been part of a trading halt, that's what you would see. So something is officially broken. So this is crazy. I'm going to go ahead and snap this shot for the chat room just so I can show people that. So I'll get that out of the way. So yeah, the market in a sense, I suppose, has been halted. And there's no news out or anything right now. So I don't know. Did the North Koreans hack it? The Chinese? The Russians? I don't know. Some little pimple-faced teenager in their mom's basement? I have no idea. Rest of the market still, I mean, other stocks are moving, but not the SPY. So, all right, I'll pause. All right, so just had this message pop up on my broker Lightspeed. Investigating quoting issues. Will advise when corrected. All righty then. So that's the newest update there. I will keep you updated. Oh, there we go. Okay, open. But let's see, are things matched up? So the price right now is at 428 right there. That looks, are things fixed? Seems so, because this over here matches up with this, which matches up with that down there. So I think we're back in business. Let's see. Yep, 420. That matches up. That match. Okay, so it's looking like everything is once again in sync. Well, that was pretty crazy. So a journey of the unknown. Sorry for the awkward, but like I said, this is live, so I'm trying to look over at these other charts, analyze, make some decisions while I still talk to you at the same time, which does. So I think I'm comfortable to say it looks like we seem to be back in business here as far as whatever was going on. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 8. I'm in at 8. These are some puts. Not the greatest of entry points, apparently. So just taking a break even there, and I'll have to try to reposition myself. And in hindsight, I would have been okay, but we're in hindsight right now. So that was not as good of an entry point as I thought it was going to be. Therefore, like I said, I'm repositioning myself, and we can try again, just changing strike prices there. Again, I would have been okay in hindsight. That's fair enough, but also you got to show a little bit of grace in the fact of, okay, but we're now commenting in hindsight. Oh yeah, that was so right there. Had I playing the what if game, I'm up basically $1,000 right now. Had I held, but again, total hindsight. Okay, well, I would say break even on the day, but that's not accurate because now I have commission. So I don't know. I'm down. Let's just, for simplicity's sake, let's call it $5. All right, I'll pause. Are you going to try to pick up a call there at 9:30? And I did. Let's see if we can get a bounce back up here a little bit. Okay, I'm not getting a bounce back up. So out there for $30 loss. Again, situation, clearly not the best entry point. Now, did that mean that I needed to panic out and take some sort of max loss? No, but I wanted to just say, okay, I don't think I quite got that one right. Again, in hindsight, I would have been okay, but that's just hindsight trading. So, I mean, that's just how it goes sometimes. But so yeah, a morning of not quite nailing the entry point. The good news is, and if you've watched past videos, you know that when I really do nail something, it's not unreasonable to make, a few $100 in just a matter of seconds. Because when you really nail them, you can get in and out very quickly. So these ones are annoying, sure, but all it takes is one, and you can find yourself, nicely in the green. And that's just what I'm looking for at this point. So I could potentially pick up a put right here, look for a rejection off that trend line. Maybe I'll see if it wants to come up to these areas up around here, pick up a put potentially around that area. But okay, I'll pause. Give an order at 11 to pick up. It should have been 11.50. Yeah, I messed that one up. That's one thing with options. They're great, don't get me wrong, in many different ways, but nothing is perfect. Everything comes with its kind of annoyances, and with options, you never quite know what the price of the option is going to be when the chart is at a certain level. So my guess was off there. I had an order in at 11, should have been 11.50, and would have had a very, very nice bounce right there, but okay. Again, all it takes is just one. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 14.80 to pick up a put here, so I need the price to come up a bit more. I will pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 13.50 to pick up a put. Needs to come up a bit more. Gonna go down to 12.80 now. I'm on the best bid. Is it gonna fill me? Oh, that's frustrating. I was literally on the best bid and it did not fill. All right, go to 12.20 now. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Like I said, was very, very close there. I just did not actually get hit. Okay, I have an order at, 11.50 here for a put. We'll see if this thing can come up a bit more. I'll go ahead and pause for now. All right, have an order at 11.50 for a put here. Once again, did not want to fill me. Well, changes to 10.50 at this point, and I will go ahead and pause. Okay, at 10.50, let's see if it wants to come up a bit more. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 7.70 here. I'm going to change that to 7.20 now. So let's see if we can get one more jolt to the upside, which will ideally fill me. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 12.50 here to pick up a call. Needs to drop down just a bit more. I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, and I'm in. Getting in at 12.50. And out for a small little $50 scalp there. I think the bid really dropped out on that one. That was a wild move. I am interested again if this wants to come down some more. Next one at 10. So I'm actually back in the green now. Very anticlimactic way to get back to the green. One little $50 trade, but if anything, that's just a testament why you got to manage risk. Because if you find yourself being able to make a very anticlimactic, very boring, quote unquote, only $50 trade, yet you're back in the green after 2 losing trades, then you know what? You're managing risk. So managing risk is the name of the game. And we'll see if I can get some more movement here again. If this wants to come back down, I'd be interested at $10, but I will pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 9.20 and I'm in. And just one at 9.20, one contract that is. And out there for another quick $50 scalp. Gonna throw out an order out there at 8.50. Actually, let's do this, 7.70. So if this thing wants to keep coming down, I would be interested again. But another quick little $50 scalp. Just very small size here. Middle of the afternoon, just getting back to my computer, looking around. So, like I said, just playing very small. And if it doesn't work out, not going to destroy me. But on the flip side, if it does work out, it's you know, I'm not going to get rich on it either, but it's like if this, like I said, if this thing wants to come down a bit more, have another order at 770. In fact, could I maybe change strikes at this point? Not quite. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change this to 720 now. So I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, making another move in. At 720. Out there for another quick $50 move. So like I said, just scalping this thing on the way down. At this point, I am going to change to another new strike price here. So we'll go down to 1050. I'll throw out the order. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, definitely some pretty violent action. So I'm going to go 970 here. Okay, time to go to 8. Again, big move down in the markets. So we'll see if this thing wants to drop down some more. But very kind of anticlimactically, I'm now up 120 with commissions, you know, 110. But yeah, we'll see if this thing wants to drop down some more. I will pause for now. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. We're actually looking at stocks right now, so that's why the screen all of a sudden changed. I'm on my stock setup here. I was watching you, but I'm just going to go ahead and call it good. Big news out with Apple. But anyways, that's all I have. So, yeah, weird day. Started off with SPY being broken and then got my loss back in a very anticlimactic way, and then had a couple additional trades that put me up with commissions right around $100 on the day. So not the greatest day by any means, but that did include 2 losing trades. So if I can have 2 losing trades in a day and still be walking away with $100, you know, I'll be grateful and appreciative of, you know, that risk management. So like I said, if there's one thing you walk away, first off, I guess, realize the markets can break from time to time, as you saw, but more importantly, manage that risk. So that's all I have. If you appreciate these videos, if you enjoy the live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a simple comment down below. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.